In today's video, I show you how to create groups in monday.com, a quick way to organize tasks, improve clarity, and streamline project management. Once you've logged into your account, open the board where you'd like to add a new group. On the board view, you will see your tasks listed. Scroll to the top of your task list and you'll notice an option to add a new group of tasks. Click it and a brand new group will instantly appear on your board. Groups act as separators inside your project, helping you cluster tasks by phase, category, or team responsibility. This makes it much easier to track progress and keep everything organized. When naming your group, choose something clear and descriptive so your team knows exactly what belongs there. From here, you can drag existing tasks into the new group or create fresh ones directly under it, and that's it. You've successfully created a group in Monday Mani. It's a simple but powerful feature that can completely transform the way you organize and manage projects. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Monday Moment tips.